Doesn't matter if we were alone, baby. Everything we are, it feels so right. And I miss waking up with you laying in my bed, with all of me wrapped up all around you. And thinking, is this real life? Could it really be this good? I got an addiction and it's all because of you, yeah. I got an obsession and I can't get enough of you. You are so right, so wrong. I don't ever wanna see you go. Hold me tight, my heart came in and you took me like a whirlwind. Free fall, full flight. Nobody's ever made me feel this. I got an addiction and it's all because of you, yeah. I got an obsession and it's all because of you. Remember the first time that we met? I asked you how you were, you said fine and I'm badass. Excuse me, you said you were fine. In a West Coast Valley girl voice. But now you're stealing my t-shirts, you're stealing my heart, and you won't stop saying my name. It's funny how fast things change. Is this real life, or is it just a dream? 'Cause I got an addiction and it's all because of you. I'm obsessed and I can't get enough of you. You are so right, so wrong. I don't ever wanna see you go. Hold me tight, my arm came in and you took me like a whirlwind. Free fall, full flight. Nobody's ever made me feel this high, this high, this high, this high. You're my addiction and I can't get enough, yeah. You're my obsession and I can't get enough.